We don't understand reggae sound first. We don't have Alkaline.
One eternity later.
If anybody will talk the truth, Khago will talk the truth. Bumbo Clark, the other day music, Cartel play a song. All of a sudden, Gaza Sky name, forget about the righteousness and the morals we normally say. Forget about that. Gaza Sky say now.
2,000 years later.
The one lion from Cartel, you know, because Cartel know if you manipulate the people, I mean, know if you get in your brain, you know. See him? Remember, you know, him say, he my shepherd and the people are my sheep, you know.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, how are the latest news them lock?
People are going to don't know one Media Fox bunny up, you know. Yeah, man. You know what thing said. People, you know say Alkaline down at Trinidad summer stage. You see me? Them say the ticket updates, you don't know the general ticket at 95% sold out. VIP 75, VVIP at 80% sold out. But you don't know that's like our basically a month away. No, 2 months away. You understand? So you don't know by them time the ticket you go sell out quick. That'll be a big show, you see me? I think Alkaline I got there. And I think TJ. You see me? But you don't know the database thing go already. It now go normal. So you don't know who down in a Trinidad go get in a ticket and bag of thing. You see me? Cause the summer stage going to be a moment. You see me? Where a lot of people like them now forgot about that day. I tell you, cause it now go normal people. I tell you that. You understand? Now go normal. So just look out for that. You see? Yeah, man. So you have to just go on easy, wait till it. People, you don't know Nax, a Japa, what them say, album, or an EP. One of them people, you see me? You don't know, go over my Instagram page, click the bio, you see me? You don't know, can pre-release, you see me? It's a pre-release thing, so you have to just go support the artist same way. If you have Vendetta fan, you don't know, you know Nax and a bag of thing. You see me? Yeah, man, so just go over there. Click the link and pre-order, you see me? Yeah, man, support the thing same way. Them are young artists in a young future generation, them, you see me? So you have to just do what you can do. You see it? Wait for the album for see what I go on. Hear the rest of the song, them, you see me? Yeah, man, you know what thing said. So look at now, people. So I'm tell you, say, it's a girl good, people. Girl good. So you know, say over summer stage, people, they might have a section named Nelly. Section. You understand? See there? Nelly section, girl good section. People, the way of the song impactful. Them have a section named girl good. You understand? A good girl. You see me? Them kind of switch it, but at the same girl good impacting. You see me? Nah, go normal. Me I tell you say yo. You see that song the one named Girl Good? Trust me, it's an anthem. It raised the bar. Remember me tell you that. You understand? So all of the good girls them, Nelly, I think she named Nella Love. I got have a section over there over summer stage, you see me? You don't know. Just go over the page, Instagram page, and you get more info on it, you see me? Yeah man, cause you don't know Alkaline. You see me? Yeah man, I even have the biggest song in the dancehall right now. Girl good. You see me? Till I have imagine you have a section where just because of the song, them say good girl section I got there. You see me? I don't know normal people, man. I tell you.
Sky got flap ever since he
So look here now. Ambassador, I got tell you what I want in the people. You see me?
aligned himself with Gaza.
Khago, the Sky God. I should say Gaza Sky. You know, so Jamaica overlook the whole thing with Khago. Yeah, man, open fuck we go on and we overlook it. Vexes angel for your pussy. Be things. Fight out ginger for music.
Yo, that boy Embassy are easy in the dog. You man say vex the angel over front to bomba dog. Get easy in bro. It might say fight out ginger to blood. Yo, brother. Yo, I don't know that. It's like brothers feel like say cartel them just like cartel is supposed to man them I give them so, but the man them take it. I don't know dog. It's like once cartel post the man them, it's like I know my G, the man them just change, brother. I tell you, all of them that stand up for just change, my G. You see it? From Khago go rate to bomb go, Khago usually go viral. But I don't know what I'm team man right now, but that's how you go, brother. Everybody have them time and them 15 minutes of fame, you know. Once that out, you know that go. You understand?
Say, bad my 18. And we overlook all anything there. Stop need the mother for no reason at all. And we overlook anything there because of Khago that. And the inspirational man with the morals in the music, we say yes. If anybody talk the truth, Khago will talk the truth. Bumbo clock, the other day music, Cartel play a song. All of a sudden, God is kind of forget about the righteousness and the morals we normally say. Forget about that. And God.
Embassy, the man them weak, brother. The man them weak, dog. Man having Cargonians now, man name Gaza Sky because I post. But I'm not Khago alone, dog. Enough man me see Cartel post, brother. And I don't know. It's like the post does hypnotize them to bombard. I like the man them start that different, dog. I said, bro, yo, that might tell you, say, yo, man them weak and frightened for you know. You understand? Yeah, man, me see man I'll get Cartel followers, so man, yo, the man in the media, like they want to faint. I said, what the rotted this, dog? Them man are a gangster, dog. I'm a real G, them, dog. Man, they want crash out, man. They say, yo, Cartel follow me. Bro, I tell you, brother, I don't know, a different species, them, man. I say, a different species, them, brother, man. I tell you that. Different species, my G. Is it?
That's case, you know. And then, so said, so done. Anybody touching him because fuck you one. Anyone them check it. Don't man the Ballon d'Or winner them. No, you know, no Ballon d'Or now get the win in the Jamaican World Cup. Jump out first round of Champions League. Don't man now no go on. Bad with them almost 25 years old now. Sean Stam them the whole guys are crash out. Tommy Lee, name it. Tommy Lee. Only thing I look on here. Once somebody I get a file. Tommy Lee. All the cars. Every time I see him do anything, man is Alkaline. I'm gonna put on big picture Alkaline in the background or something. Anything I do, Alkaline in my car. Now I'll tell him.
Yeah, man, there's no business about Tommy Lee. Tommy Lee war with Massacre, and after a war, the man is spark Tommy Lee over there, brother. I tell them already, bro. You have to understand, say, the Gaza people, them only care about Vibes Cartel, you know. You understand? Them care about Vibes Cartel. You see it? And I can't even to say nothing about that, my G, because look here now. Some of them, man, brother, them just weak, and because they want to take the easier route, some of them just run with the Gaza thing to try to get a strength, but the Gaza people don't really care about the man them, bro. You see me? They don't care about the man them, brother. Them not support the music, them not miss them pay them no mind. If anybody diss them not care. You see me? I just one of them things, brother. Remember saying no, a cartel people, them a cartel fans them. So at the end of the day, without cartel, you wouldn't know them artists. Them artists wouldn't have nobody to get no strength from. You understand? So some of them man, them just weak. Them can't build them own thing, build them own camp. You understand? I just one of them thing, them G. You see me? With Tommy Lee thing, Tommy Lee mash up them own thing, brother. From the man go prison, brother, and fouled out. Like, after that, bro, it just, you know, everything just go downhill, brother. You see me? I just say thing go, my G. Some man make some mistake in them pass, and one of them thing that dog, cause Tommy Lee go on with that thing in the dancehall, but man cramp him on career, dog. Is it? And worse, him can't go certain place. I don't think Tommy Lee ever even go in the United States, dog. I tell you that. We not even know, but I want him go still, but I don't know. You see me? But we go watch and see still, but you don't know who. And the youth them can go make money so them can feed them family. But to a thing said right now, Tommy Lee I don't think Tommy Lee ever. Cause you see, because I be a bad negative thing I always follow them money so many times. It's like you don't know the people them are watching and see what I go on, so you know. Tommy Lee kinda, you know, them man them now market them thing as well. You see me, them have them song and thing, and you know, but that's one of them thing that dog. You see me, as me say, everybody have to defend to them own right now, brother. Cause in a cartel age and day and age right now, bro. Cartel can't help none of them and them, see. If a man can't help him son them, or him go help them and them. Him can't help nobody right now, him need help, bro. You understand? Cartel need help right now. Himself, like marketing, brand himself in a way, and you understand? Yeah. And kind of marketing music a certain way, so right now Cartel want a lot of things right now, so the man there, if we just go do them one thing.
Alkaline in my car. So I just see everybody at detach from Gaza and you go align yourself with Gaza. Bumbo clock, Khago, we lose a man. Come here, you go watch him now. Me have to listen to your grandma quote the man, grandma said this song. Grandma says because me not grown grandmother, but me go spend all day with them, spending time with her like where you grow with her. So me have to listen to you. Me have to come over here like country. To give every now and then, man. Look on everyone every day. We like everyone every day now. But when me attach your name with Gaza, it's a blood clot. See the dog kiss the ring now. See the now? If you look on one every day, go look on anyone every day. We post recent video. I have 15 likes and 6 likes. I get you know.
Yeah, boy, embassy like that. Want to you have 15 likes and 16 likes. I say it go, brother. You see me? You have to understand, you know, that. Alright, when Khago never did, when before Cartel post Khago, you know, remember say Khago usually say something and the guys fan them see it and they must start comment and every little thing. You see how it work? Alright. The only way you get attention from the Gaza people them are when they either call out them artists or something. You see, once you attach your name or say you're alright, like what Khago do, Gaza people not gonna pay no mind, my G. You understand? Not gonna pay no mind, bro, man. I tell you. Because they must say, alright, Khago that and cut. But if they hear them say, yo, Cartel not find a song. Khago say that who are the mind I comment on a bag of thing, bro. So I just saw it go, bro. You see me? I one of them thing there. But Khago do him doing a dog. I man do him do so. If a man want to touch him name or brand or what, feel problem that. You see me, him just have a face a consequence.
Not 7 days no. 7 days like 16 like the big regular superstar. Oh man, Khago. They kiss you, you know, say anything align itself with Gaza. Get fucked, anything align itself with Gaza. Gaza only can get 2 lions a month, you know. And 1 Kevin and Gaza uncle and Gaza headquarters. They might fight out Gaza headquarters. Because only 2 lions can get a month. Anything align itself with Gaza get fucked. And Khago, you know better. Khago, you know better. And you feel every word now because when you turn your life, 2.5 hours in, 6 people realize said we 6 people that are winning our body all. Before you realize with Gaza, 350, 500 people in your life. And you know too.
So me I talk about that are the problem. Remember when Khago usually call out Cartel and say this about Cartel. The amount of Gaza people over there. Me I tell the people the amount of Gaza people over there in the comment. Them give Khago more attention when he talk something about Cartel. When he not talk nothing good about Cartel or something. I saw you go, brother. You understand? Some of the Gaza people, let me know, everyone, they're more attached to the negativity. Yeah, man. I saw them pray. You see it? When you say something good, I'm not too there, you know. You will say I want to look 15 and this and that. But make you go say you want negative something. But about 301,000 comments you see. Kawa, yeah, this the artist. So man forward in a bunch. You understand?
You know, you get rhythms, you get be things are going for you, Khago. Be things are going for you until you line yourself with Gaza. You get fucked. You don't know no ginger call up on the phone. Nobody regular superstar call and say, oh, line married him. Nobody now link you, nobody now. Oh, you get a collab. I want one time man play your song on live. You get a collab, you get a call up on stage. You have visa, you come from all know you don't call up on show. I know when I see a Canada on show. I'm gonna give your appearance on a show. But you line yourself to Gaza.
Why, ambassador? You know, say Khago now no song right now really where he have beat song, you know, but you have to understand, say, them the song there like a decade ago or so maybe, or more. So, you know, really on a song where I go really, the man listen and say about maybe like Girl Dash for your road and somewhere, that song there. Nah, say hello, my friend, the man then, if me something I want next, like part 2 for sell out my friend them, that's it. You see me? Him not really have much like that. So, I don't know. I don't really there if you book Khago right now. What Khago ever do? Khago is just an artist where he have some hit song here. But I don't know, him not know where am I go sing say. You understand? But a good artist still and him have the, you know, the vocals and thing. But I don't know that Khago just joke out him thing right now. You see me? If you just go and do him look at dub them and all of them thing there and go and make look of money, you see me?
To work. And flap the whole sky god now, everybody left you. Everybody says Khago. We think you have sense and we think you respect it. And you're righteous thing. When you call Silk Boss name and see it was road Silk Boss field, but you know, everybody lose it now. Khago. Until I detach your name from Gaza, 6 and 7 like see your blood clot. I should never call your name anything, you know. I mean, I get look at anything right now. You shouldn't call your name Khago. But I mean, I rate you. You see, now I have to look different name. I bigger song in the blood clot Gaza song right now. Now I have to look different name. Bigger in the Gaza song right now. Check it. And for that, you'll get looking back. Big up Khago.
The one lion from cartel, you know, because cartel know if you manipulate the people, I mean, I know if you get in your brain, you know. See? Remember, you know, him say, he my shepherd and the people are my sheep, you know. See? So them little waste money away. Every comment section, them boy are there in these people, you know, for man with them they even know, you know. See? Let me show you a thing. That brother was a big Massacre fan, you know. See? And him say Massacre is untouchable, you know.
You know why problem, people? You know, say, me not really take them thing the personal, you know. Like, although Alkaline are my artist, see? You know, say, enough little post me see where this Alkaline I mean never right. I saw your mother in a comment them yet, people. You know, me never yet do that. You see me? Me just, and then all the time, me just, correct the narrative or something, but for these people, like, can't you understand, you know? We don't know the history with Alkaline and everything, you know. Me not fi SYM in a no comment. You see what my choice, because at the end of the day, me there for music. You see me? And there for no man. So you not go see me in no comment that about no West IM and disrespect. No body or me correct the narrative. You see me? Yeah, me correct that or send a text say yo or me say yo. Be a man this in the talking and that's it. But this scene up and all that, I'm not for do that, my G. I in the comment section I want with nobody. You see me? No dog, when I really take them thing there, personal, my G. You see me? Yeah, man, but some of them money, brother, may I tell you, the money, the money will take them whole day, left all work, and tell the boss, say, yo, me sick, just for staying a comment for cuss. For cartel, may I tell you, be SYM and all them look someday. You see me? Right now, them words say, yo, may I tell you, say, yo, it's okay, mother thing. May I tell you people, right now, a Jamaican national anthem that, may I tell you, yeah, man, a Jamaican national anthem that, man, may I tell you. Yeah, but I just saw them man stay, bro. It's me worse when cartel send them the lion. You think you can't say nothing bad about cartel? I tell you, if before a week, then I'll be about 1,000. That's why I get. I tell you that.
You see me? But you see from him get a lion, everything changing about watch out. He no want count out Massacre, you know. He no really want to talk nothing bad about Massacre, you know. Because he don't know when Massacre go find and hit them, you know. You see me? And then he go shame, you know. See him? Because watch out now. Him always attack bad about Alkaline. See him? And me show you say that boy a real fish. Me see him bridging a vibes to Alkaline song, Formula. And him the right behind him bridging a dance out to Formula. See him? This boy is an undercover fan of Alkaline now. But you see because of the lion, I'm a wait for the lion them, you know. So he have to stay in a character, you know. He have to say him a Gaza, right through if you get the lion, you know.
Yeah, man, I saw them boys stay, man, me I tell you. The man I rinse Alka song them in them house, man. Me I tell you. Enough of them will hear get up, if a day them get up and say, yo, Alka this, Alka that. You see me? Yeah. You know, say alright. Them, cause they know the thing, me always say this, you know. Me not for this artist, bro. You see me? We just start the truth. Speak the fact. You see me? We not for this artist. You see me? We can just use the information and say certain things. You see me? We not for this artist for talk the truth. You see me? So, them man, brother, enough of them are wagonists, bro. Enough of them not too real to the guys, I think. Them not really support the music. Yo, me always say this, you know. A good thing the cartel release a lot of music. Cause if some of them, it have a problem, me I tell you. They don't really care about the music, brother. That's why them go on, so. You see me? Some of them wish cartel could have said them all too lion. Right now, I can't say nothing about cartel after that, brother. Me I tell you. Problem. Cheerleader them turn after that. You see me? Yeah, man. So, I just one of them thing there. Cartel might ray and just send them two line and one them just start crash out and everything. Don't all see them. You see it?
See him? And then this boy will get up in a comment section and say, what is a brata? Brata, what you never get in a brother. A little extraness where you should get by your foot, they make you need in a knock. A that a year brata where you never get, brother. See him? Yeah, man, this boy is a real waste man. Real fish, batty boy, them, yeah. To all them walk and follow on everywhere. This a boy a cuss girl. This all pick me. Any man who you see a cuss with a woman, you don't know same gone already, you know. Cause you can't cuss with a woman, you know. Them a man a cuss everybody, you know. See? Then a boy you can't post up nothing about cartel and then skin no catch a fire. See? Move like a waste man, brother. See? You say you own a restaurant and you sell food. But you come like a year it off your whole life food, them brother, because it a show up on you.
John, no, Rasta did the man, so. John, no, dog.
You see me? Stop running for man and follow up man in every comment section all about everywhere you're there. I talk up. See? You're a real waste man, brother. Real waste man. You see me? You need to check yourself, man. Something right, boy, you.
Yeah, man, people, so. See, Fambo roll out, you know. You see him talk a bag of thing about Sunfest and a bag of thing, but people, I make you hear Fambo say, you know, you see it. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. I don't know when me the facts. Yeah, man.
We don't understand reggae Sunfest. On the door of La Bass. On the door of Massacre Pandit. The door of Craft. Handsome person. Very handsome. Craft. On the door of Alkaline. On the door of I Donor. Achievement me squeeze off. With the blood clot there. You don't got I Donor on the bill? Are you dumb? Are you crazy? You don't got Vegas. I am blessed. I am champagne. Just give me the. You can't book him. You can't pay champagne. Gambling practice can't really play champagne. You keep the show every year and they don't put champagne in. He's the biggest Jamaican artist. I'm lost. I'm fucking lost. You ain't got Bunny Killer on the show. You ain't got Butcher Bantan. You ain't got Beat Man. You ain't got Ghost. You ain't got General B. You got Nitty Kutchin. You ain't got Pinchers. You ain't got Shaka Demons and Pliers. You ain't got Master Griffiths. You ain't got Junior Gang. You ain't got Junior Reed. What are you doing? It's Reggae Sunfest. It's gotta be 2 nights. Singers, DJ night, and the sound night. Ricky Chuper, Tony Bateron, Firelings. You're cheating game, Joe. Your money's running out. And even Joe Buddy's running out. Joe Buddy is running out. He's short in the show. 2 artists in 1 night. Whoa. I'm crazy. You got Chris Morty, you got Taros Riley. You ain't got Ruben Virgo. What are you doing? You ain't got singers that you cut it out to 1 night. Johnny goes out. Why did you sell Joe Sunfest? He's fucking up the game. He's messed up the game. It's a big war. We don't want no more war. It's Gully and Gaza war. We don't want no more war. We don't need no more trouble. What about Gully and Gaza peace? That sounds good to me. You ain't got Javinci on the show. You ain't got Venice and Blink on the show. You ain't got Flex. You ain't got Predator. You ain't, you got Boom Boom. You ain't got Roxy. What are you doing? What are you guys doing? Like, the Gully and Gaza war is played out. They could go on tour. Yeah, tour the world, and they go there. But Jamaican city's played out. I'm gonna start visit. Well, I'm beating him. I think. Moses Davis, you are a hot demon. I'll make you hot. Just not talk about you. I told you. Angel,